Welcome back to the channel, guys. Appreciate you tuning in once again. So today I'm going to go over, actually in the video, about waterproofing around a bathtub. Where the flange meets the bathtub, that's going to see the most water, so I'm going to go over that. And then one other thing on the outside of the tub, which actually gets a lot of water damage. I see a lot of contractors just stop their waterproofing right on the edge of the tub. And sure, that would be fine, but over time the water will wick out and destroy that edge about an inch to 2 inches past the tub. So I'm going to go over what will be the best approach to, not let that happen. So stay tuned and I'll show you what's going on. One thing I like to mention too is that on your tubs, okay, you get a lot of water damage on the outside over here and over here. So it's always a good idea to seal your wallboard to the tub so nothing can get behind it. And also you want to bring out the tile to about here and waterproof this whole section too, from here all the way down to the floor, from there all the way down to the floor about 3 inches past the tub. Okay, so just to go over this again, you can see in the photo here, that's where that tub flange meets the wallboard. So I fill that with the sealant, so that is completely 100% watertight. The only issue is with this here is when you use that much sealant, because you're filling like a 1/4 inch thickness or so, that it takes, about a day to 2 days or so to really firm up. But if you do it on Monday, you come back Tuesday, you can tile over it. You just don't want to push in there because it's not going to be 100% cured. Otherwise, the main thing is you really want to make that whole tub flange area completely watertight. Okay, so this is what the bathroom looks like. Now, I was actually tiling around the whole bathroom, so I just did 2 coats of liquid around the walls there to give better adhesion and to waterproof that whole section there. Now, not always able to do this, but you always want to tile past the tub at least 2 to 3 inches, and you want to waterproof that every single time. You do not want to skip that. You do not have to waterproof the whole wall going past the 6 to 12 inches, but I did it here. It doesn't hurt. But again, the main thing is it is very critical that you waterproof that section, because you could have a beautiful shower completely redone. They don't waterproof that, and a couple years down the road, depending on usage, the whole area will get soft and need to be replaced, the whole wallboard, and in worst case it could be mold there. So waterproof it, do it right the first time, and you should have a really long lasting installation with no problems. And if you'd like to take it a step further and completely waterproof the floor, which I try to do in every project, I can't always, but when I can, I like to. Deecher on the floor, which is a plastic, and I tie in the walls with curdy band. Any seams I put curdy band, and everything is completely watertight. Even where the deecher meets the tub, I'll put a bead of sealant there to seal that edge. So the only place really for the water to go in this bathroom is either around the toilet flange or out the front door. So this bathroom floor will never see problems with water or rotting out the floor. There's the other place by the pipe there, water go down, but really with splashing and things like this, the floor is never going to see issue. So really good step. If you can do it, great. It's going to last a long time. So that's always a good idea. That way you don't have problems in the future. Everything is waterproof, rock solid, good to go. So I'm going to have to wait for this to dry, come back tomorrow, then waterproof that, hit all the perimeter as well if I need to with a liquid hydro band. And then the walls are ready for tile. I haven't checked them yet with a shreddage. I prepped all the walls to make them flat as possible before the board went up. But before any tile hits anywhere, on any wall, any floor, any ceiling, anything like that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that it's flat. So whatever type of screeding I have to do, anything at all, that's what we're going to do. And that is it.